Have you ever wondered why Instagram ads seem to know exactly what we want? Whether you love these or hate them, we have to admit that we've clicked on one, bought an item, or been captivated by an ad. There's something about this that makes it so attention-grabbing and likely to click through. So today we're going to uncover what makes Instagram ads so captivating and how you can use these strategies to build your brand's visibility and drive sales. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn Instagram into your brand's biggest marketing tool. Hello Metricoolers, my name is Aniston and I am back with another video. Today we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Instagram ads in 2024 so you can start building your ad strategy and running campaigns. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the right strategies and tools to create and optimize ads to see real results. So let's get started. First, let's dive into what type of ads there are on Instagram, because with Instagram Shopping and Explore, there's ads that can appear kind of everywhere. Understanding these formats will help build the foundation of your ad strategy. First, we have photo ads. These are just simple and effective images in users' feeds, and they're just a straightforward way to show your product or service. Next, we have video ads. So these can be up to 60 seconds long and allow brands to tell more of a story in their advertisement. Next, we have carousel ads. So these are swipeable images and videos. They're great for showcasing multiple products or features. Next, we have story ads. These are full screen ads that appear in between users' stories and allow for a more immersive, kind of exclusive experience. Next are explore ads. So these can be images or videos and allow new users to reach your brand or product. Then we have Reels ads, which appear in between Reels and are just a fun, engaging way to create content. And lastly, we have shopping and collection ads. So like I mentioned in the beginning, users can now shop directly through the platform and brands can build product collections and shopping ads to really drive sales. Now that we know the type of ads, let's see how you can create them. And in this video, I'm going to show two tools. One is Meta Business Suite, and then the other is Metricool. So if you're in Meta Business Suite, you're going to click on Create Ad, and you can either use existing content, automate a campaign, or start one from scratch. Next, set your campaign objective. So this can be anything from getting more calls, more messages, or driving traffic. Then it's time to customize your ad. So this is where you add a compelling description, include up to 5 multimedia files, and create a clear call to action. Now let's define your audience. So Meta has an advantage audience feature, which automatically enters your audience based on your users, your content, and with the help of AI. Or you can enter your audience manually, so adding gender, age, location, interest, things that define who your target audience is. Once your audience is set, decide on your budget and campaign duration. This can have a specific start and end date or run continuously. Finally, review your campaign and check your daily estimated results. And if it looks good to go, then click publish and it will go live on the date you chose. Okay, now the second way is through Metricool. So if you haven't, create your free account right now and then connect to your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Once you're set up, click Create Campaign and enter your campaign name, target URL, and toggle on Facebook ads. Then you're going to choose your campaign objective. So this can be traffic, engagement, leads, or sales. Next, specify your target locations. This can be as specific as cities or as broad as countries or a mix of both. Now it's time to design your ad. So add your website URL, your description, and multimedia files. And if you don't have visuals on hand, you can utilize Metricool's image bank and templates. Finally, set your budget and duration, review your ad, and press publish. So we talked about Instagram ad types, but we didn't talk about boosting posts. So this is the most simple way to turn organic content into paid ads. Here's how you can boost posts from Instagram and from Metricool. So inside the Instagram app, click on the blue boost post to any eligible content. Next, set your goal. This can be profile visits, website visits, or messages. Then define your audience by either the suggested audience or create your custom audience. Finally, set your budget and campaign duration and review the details to boost your post. The second way to boost ads is through Metricool. So again, you can create your free account and connect your Instagram and Facebook profiles. Navigate to the Analytics tab and find the content you want to boost. Then just click Boost Post and you'll add in the budget, the beneficiary, and then publish your ad. So as you start to create campaigns, here are a few tips to help you along the way. The first is to tell a story. So create a campaign that tells a compelling story connected to your users' pain points and how your brand can be the solution. The second is to use keywords and hashtags. Conduct keyword research for keywords that bring your brand more visibility. Leverage top-performing hashtags to group your content in new communities. The last is to start with a traffic or brand awareness campaign. These types of campaigns provide the highest clicks and impressions with the lowest CPC or cost per click. I hope this video equips you with a foundation to start your ad strategy so you are up and running with a killer campaign. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave any comments, feedback, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, Metricoolers!